If you're a professional or you're professionally minded, then you already understand the value of excellent communication skills. If you are self-employed or if you're working for someone else, if you are in school and you're about to graduate, you know how important it is for you to be able to clearly and smoothly articulate your thoughts. If you're in an interview, you need to be able to share with them your experience and why you're interested in that company. And you need to be able to do it persuasively. If you are self-employed, you need to be able to generate business. You need to be able to lead your people. And so therefore, you need to be able to communicate your thoughts in a way that influences people, that engages them, and that says exactly what you want to say when you want to say it. If you're working for someone else, you need to be able to share your thoughts in meetings and updates. You need to be able to be an influencer in your company so that you can move to that next level. If you are a person that has relationships, and we all do, right? Then you know how important it is to be able to share how you feel and share what you think and to engage in different social activities and just get out there and have fun and share your thoughts and talk to people and relate socially. You know how important good communication skills are. If there are two people going for a job, and let's say one person who used to stutter doesn't stutter anymore, but they're not a great communicator. And the other person, they're equally qualified now, and the other person is an excellent communicator. All things being equal, who's going to get that job? The person who is an excellent communicator. So not stuttering doesn't get you any extra points. It doesn't necessarily get you in the door just because you don't stutter. You need to be able to be an excellent speaker, an excellent communicator. And you're probably wondering, well, how can I get there based on where I'm at now, given where I'm at now? And the answer is Pro 90D. Why? Pro 90D is designed for you if you're an intelligent professional or you're professionally minded and you are ready to take your speech and therefore your life to the next level. You don't just want to not stutter. You want to be able to smoothly, calmly, clearly, and confidently articulate your thoughts. You want to be able to be persuasive. You want to be an influencer. You want to be able to engage people. You want to enjoy speaking, and you want other people to enjoy listening to you and enjoy conversing with you. Pro 90D does that for you. Now look, I'm just going to be honest with you. I know some of you are probably saying, well, Michael, you're just promoting this coaching because that's how you make your money, and you make more money from coaching. Your coaching costs a couple $1,000, and that's why you're saying all of this stuff. And here's the truth. Here's the truth. And if you just think about it, it makes sense. I would make more money selling self-studies because it's scalable. I could sell millions of them, right? And I would love to be able to just sell thousands and hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, millions of self-studies. It's scalable, and I can help more people, right? I can help more people and make more money. But year after year after year, it has become clearer and clearer, and it's just proven the thing that helps people the most is one-on-one coaching. It's one-on-one coaching. I wish it weren't so, but it is so. So think about it. I'm limited in my time. I can only help but so many people. So this is not the way that I can make the most money. Selling self-studies would be the way but I'm telling you that the vast majority of people will not do this on their own. It's not that they can't, it's not that it's impossible, but they simply will not do this on their own. Or it'll take them so long, they will have wasted years of time and maybe thousands and thousands of dollars, wasted thousands of dollars, or lost in opportunity costs, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of dollars. And I'm not exaggerating at all. Opportunities that you avoid, that you pass up, sales that you could have made, promotions that you could have gotten that could have earned you. So like I've helped people make tens of thousands of dollars within a period of a few months by getting jobs that they couldn't get prior to working with me. Recently, every single year, I have multiple people who come and work with me, and they make thousands or tens of thousands of dollars more because they get better jobs or they make more sales. That's just the way it is. So the truth of the matter is that coaching is going to be your fastest and, in fact, your easiest way to take your speech to the next level. Okay? And people tell me this all the time. Now, I'm not speaking to those of you that are not convinced of that yet. If you're not convinced of that, then you'll have to figure out on your own, oh, I've been working on this for years. I've tried this program. I've tried that program. I've been watching these videos. I've been listening to audios. My speech has improved a little bit, but nowhere near what I thought. And even if you're just working in other programs, you just find out, you know what? I need help, right? I need help. And sometimes years have gone by when a person finally realizes this. So I can't make you realize it any faster, but what I can do is to speak to those of you that are feeling that right now. You're feeling and you know inside, right? And you're believing that, you know what? I've been spinning my wheels here. I've been watching videos, taking programs, I've been trying to do this on my own. And the fact is, you and I don't know what we don't know, right? We just don't know it, right? And I can help you accelerate the time that it takes for you to take your speech to the next level for a few reasons. Number one, evaluation, right? I can look at you and based on my years of experience working with clients and based on my own personal experience having struggled with this, I can look at you and say, here is where you're at right now. And I can give you assessment. So evaluation, I can look at you and go, boom, this is what the challenge is, or these are the challenges. Then I can give you an assessment and say, here is what you need to work on. We use kind of the 80-20 rule. Sometimes it's the 190 rule, meaning there's one skill that you need to develop that will give you 80 to 90% of your results. Most of my clients will tell you that this is true. Sometimes it's one skill, right? Just one skill that you need to work on that will give you 80, 85, 90% of your improvement. And you may not know what that one skill is. You may be trying various things, but I can pinpoint and say, this is what you need to work on. You may think that you're doing something correctly, but you're not. And you would know that, right? Only I would know that. I'm working with people sometimes and I'm saying, there's no way they would have figured this out on their own. There's just no way. And if they had of, it would have taken them years. I'm working in this field every single day, working with clients all day long, right? Every day, doing research, having my own personal experiences. And there's times where I have to think, I have to sit and look, and I just know that person couldn't have figured this out on their own. Only me with my experience or someone with similar experience could have figured out what that person needs to do or why this is happening. So I'm saying that because evaluation, assessment, feedback can literally save you years of time and thousands of dollars. Okay. The next thing that's important is inspiration. Inspiration. Sometimes we all just need to be inspired to do something, right? We need to be inspired to do something. We need that passion, that desire inside of them. Sometimes we need someone else to help ignite that. I have a coach who inspires me, who evaluates me, who keeps me on track, not for my speech, but for my business and in some areas of life. And thank God for my coach. There was a time some years ago where I've been trying to do some things on my own, and I'd gotten to a certain level, but it was a very low level, and I just kept spinning my wheels, and I decided, you need to put your money where your mouth is, Michael, and you need to get some coaching. And since that time, I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in coaching, and it's all helping. There's one time where I invested in coaching and it didn't help. Every other time, it did help. So you've got to decide if working with me personally is going to help you or not. And that's why I provide so much material so that you can try it for yourself. You know what? This makes sense. This is scientifically based. I've tried it and it does work. And I believe that working with Michael is going to accelerate this process. It's going to save me time and money and get me to where I need to get faster. So evaluation, assessment, feedback, inspiration. Sometimes you need someone to inspire you, right? And encouragement. As you're working on your speech, you're going to find that you're going to go through these various dips in your journey and go over various bumps and have reversals. And if you're not working with someone who who's been through that journey before and has helped other people, you're going to quit. You're going to quit. You're just going to give up, and you're going to keep trying different things. And then you're going to come back again and say, well, this worked for a little while. Let me try it again. Then you'll try it again. And you'll keep going through the same cycle year after year after year, all along losing opportunities, losing money, right? Losing life opportunities, losing fulfillment that you could have been experiencing, right? And losing money. Keep going through the cycle. So we all need that encouragement, and you're definitely going to need this when you're on this journey, right? You're just going to need someone to say, keep going. This is very normal for you to experience this. Even if it's a reversal where you feel like you're sliding back, it's very normal. Just keep doing this. Don't let up. Don't slow down. Keep doing it. And I find that all of a sudden that person comes out of that dip and they're at a whole new level. And then they just keep going to the next level, next level. Had they been working on their own, guess what? Because they tell me, because they had been working on their own and the same thing happened. And they just started to let up on their practices. They stopped watching, stopped listening. They stopped getting out there speaking. They started getting discouraged, and they just kept sliding back. And then they start the whole thing over again. So I hope that this makes sense for you. I know I'm talking to some of you out there. So if you're a professional, you're intelligent, you know that your speech, stuttering, has been slowing you down or holding you back. You are now ready to take your speech, your professional life, your social life to that next level. You know that you've not been fulfilling, even tapping, reaching your potential because of your speech. You know that you have so much more to give, but your speech has been holding you back. I'm talking to you. Now, I want to invite you, if you're watching this video, no matter where it is, it could be on YouTube, it could be on the page that's describing the coaching. I want you to just be honest with yourself and understand that there comes a time where you have to, if you will, bite the bullet and invest in yourself, and just say, you know what, this is not a cost, this is an investment, a very real investment that has not only a financial return, but it also has social, emotional, and psychological returns and spiritual returns. When you invest in private coaching with me, people will tell me that it's helped change their entire life, not just their speech, not just their profession, but their confidence is improved in other areas of their life. They feel more relaxed in life in general. They feel more calm. They're able to communicate better, so their social life is better. Their professional life is better. People see them differently, right? And many of them start earning more money. You're making an investment in yourself. So if you're an intelligent professional and you understand the importance and the power and the value of coaching, then I want you to go ahead and schedule your assessment session with me, and let's go ahead and get started and take your speech to the next level. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really look forward to working with you and just watching you grow and watching your speech go to higher and higher levels. Once again, my name is Michael Williams. I look forward to working with you. I'll see you soon.